Hey, Tangerine, blah, blah, blah.
Before we get started, just a reminder. Oh, fuck.
So just to wrap, blah, blah, blah. Let's try this again. Hey, Tangerine Tagalongs, welcome back. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Jordan.
And we are Tangerine Travels. And for once, in a very, very, very long time, we are actually in our Tangerine mascot. We are in Lizzie right now, our tangerine colored Prius C.
We're doing some errands today that are a little different than how you would do them in the US, so we thought it'd be fun to show you what we're doing and take you along.
So buckle up, we're going for a ride.
A big thanks to everyone who clicked on the Amazon link in our description and made a purchase. That really helps us out. And just a reminder, if you click on that link and you purchase any item or you start a free trial, whether that's Amazon Prime or Audible or HBO or any other Amazon free trial.
Free trial, emphasis on free. You don't have to pay anything.
Even if you cancel that free trial before it's up, we still get a little something from that. So that is greatly appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. First stop, laundry. We're at a lavanderia. I'll show you how it works. Hello.
Buenas tardes.
Hola. Servicio, por favor.
Sí. ¿Son dos?
Sí.
Perfecto. Dos grandes, ¿verdad?
Sí.
¿Me recuerdas tu nombre? Serían 138. ¿Está bien?
¿Y podemos pegar más tarde?
Sí, cuando regreses.
Sí.
Te la tengo lista a las 6:30. Gracias. Gracias a ustedes. Bye. So in the case of this lavanderia, it is pretty simple. We bring our laundry baskets in, empty them into their baskets. We ask for the full service. It includes the detergent and everything. They factor all of that into the price.
And full service is called servicio. It's 69 pesos per basket, and we had 2 of them. A lot of lavanderias we pay by weight, but this one's a little different where you pay by the basket.
Today, she said that they were going to be ready at 6:30 and they close at 8. What time is it?
2:45.
It's a pretty fast turnaround, only a few hours. You can also do the laundry yourself and bring your own detergent and everything. If you want to wait around for that or put it in and come back, that's also an option, but we opt to have them do it all so that we can get other things done throughout the day.
And if you do it on your own and provide all the detergent and everything, you're going to be looking at about half of the price you would pay for full service.
If you guys have any questions on this that we didn't cover, feel free to leave them down below in the comments.
And on to the next errand.
Where are we going? You will find out. So now we are here at an auto lavado, or a car wash. This particular one, you drive in on one side, they pull it around and wash it by hand, and then pull it around the other side where they do all the detailing. For our car, we got, what was it?
Inside and outside done for 65 pesos.
What we've noticed is that they're taking extremely good care of every single detail on all of these cars, which is huge contrast to a lot of car washes in the US where they do like a good enough job and you pay like $45 to $100 to have your car average washed.
Yeah.
So we just got done at the car wash. It ended up being, I think, what, like an hour and a half or so?
Almost an hour and a half, yeah.
That we were waiting there. Now the car looks so great. There's almost no Alaska hair in there, which is a miracle. I don't even know how they do that. And how much did it end up being?
It was 65 pesos and we ended up tipping 20 pesos.
Because they worked on it for a long time trying to get all of Alaska's hair out. And now we're here at Soriana Hiper, I don't know how to say it exactly, to get some groceries. So we're taking you guys with us in here too.
So I wonder if is this even a grocery store? Is this like a super Walmart type deal?
Looks like a good grocery store.
Groceries. Okay.
This store has a lot more dog food options than normal, and we are going with the Purina Beneful Original, and it's 4 kilos for 222 pesos. Also on our list today is dish soap and a sponge, and it turns out that they have some here with the sponge already on it. The one that we're getting is 20.9 pesos. What are we looking at here?
Organic milk. 2 for 45 pesos. I feel like I'm doing a cost of living one again.
It's not that. That's not today. Tortillas, 10 pesos for a kilo.
Fresh pressed.
This is one of our most difficult decisions of the day. There's so many popcorns. We don't know which popcorn to get. Palomitas con doble mantequilla, palomitas con queso jalapeño, caramel.
This one has partially hydrogenated oil. Nope.
Nope.
Let's go with these. Well, if someone wouldn't drop all these.
Somebody would drop them all on the floor. These are 17.9 pesos per box with 3 bags. And then we just noticed over here for 26 pesos, you can get a bottle of Valentina with your 3 bags of popcorn.
We're getting this one.
We're getting this one. Of course, we have to have our daily cup of joe, so we have coffee here, and this is 84 pesos. We got in the habit of making our own coffee at home. That way we don't have to rush off to anywhere. And coffee shops aren't as common here as they are in the US, so it makes it a lot easier. Just got finished at the grocery store, and with everything, dog food, trash bags,
It was
800 and something pesos. We just got a whole lot of random stuff. Now we are driving back to the lavanderia. We're going a little bit early just because we're heading home now. Driving in Guadalajara feels very stressful and scary because you can't really ever tell if it's a stop sign or a stoplight and one-way streets. It can be very overwhelming if you're not used to the roads.
And we're used to people following a lot more driving rules than they do here. So without the awareness that most Mexican drivers have, it's more likely to get in an accident.
Now what? Now what? It's a green light, right? I'm so confused.
Yeah, it's a green light.
You have people coming to the left here.
Okay, go.
We have a green light. There were just ambulances making everyone do some type of crazy thing. I hate this. This is insane.
Hola. ¿Ropa para Jordan? Creo que
Ya está lista.
Muy bien.
Fueron 132. Ahí está toda.
Muy bien.
68 gramos.
Gracias.
Gracias.
We could not have gotten here with better timing. We got here half an hour earlier than they estimated, and she was just
Bring in the last item.
last towel. So that was super awesome. We're gonna head home now and finish the video there because of the stresses and craziness of driving, and we are also in a no park zone. So just to wrap this up, we wanted to share a few important details that we think you guys would find useful that we forgot to mention as we were going from errand to errand.
As for the lavanderia, for that same service in the US, we'd be paying $30 to $45 for it, and it was 132 pesos.
And we've done laundry in Mexico now, I don't know, half a dozen times. They've never wrecked or lost anything
They've
we've
lost a
noticed
sock.
except for one sock.
And one time you got back baby socks.
Okay, yes, they shrunk my socks, but they did they did stretch back out, so it's okay. And then as for the auto lavado, if you were to do the same thing in the US, it would be half as detailed as they did. If you've never tried to clean car hair out of it, no.
If you've ever tried to clean car hair out of a dog,
If you've never tried to
I know, clean car hair out of a dog.
rah, rah, rah.
Oh, God. Alaska, do you want to be in the video?
Oh, she's holding on to you so tightly. Look at these problems.
Because we're by the edge.
We're not gonna throw you over the edge. Okay, so if you've never tried to clean car hair out of a dog, it is incredibly difficult because it gets into all the seats and the fabric, and they pretty much got all of that out. So that is amazing, and for the value, wowza, good deal. Alaska, what are you doing? Are you a dog? Are you?
So, she sits by the door like this whenever she has to go potty outside.
Unless she thinks you're about to take her, and then she doesn't like it because it's a spiral staircase. Alaska, you're so funny. If you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down below in the comments. But we have one question. What do you guys think of this type of a video? Would you like to see more? Las would you like to see more of our day-to-day activities, or just sort of like the normal comings and goings and going to restaurants or things like that? Or would you like to see more of us going to the zoo in Guadalajara, going on adventures, or funny read comments? Reading mean comments. My mouth is no está funcionando. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel. But before you go,
Gong that bell so you get notified about videos just like this one coming to a theater near you, coming to a YouTube channel named Tangerine Travels near you. We will see you in the next one.